Study Session 2, Social Institutions. No society can take its survivors for granted. To this end, all societies create institutions which are relatively ending clusters of values, norms, social states, roles groups, and organizations that address its fundamental social needs. Thompson and Ike, 1994. A sociologist defines an institution in a different way from a layman. A layman views institutions as buildings or structures used in satisfying a particular human need, or he could also view it as a building where certain activities take place. For example, he may see the University of Ibadan as an institution of higher learning. Viewing it this way, it refers to the structure and/or building where higher learning takes place. A sociologist, however, uses the concept of social institutions in a more restricted way. He or she sees an institution as a constellation of socially significant cultural traits or customs, collected around some functions or set of functions which are important enough to be found in various places at different times. Okay, Oloruntimehin and Akintola, 1996. According to Zanden, 1963, social institutions are an enduring set of cultural patterns and social relationships organized to accomplish basic social tasks. Social institutions can therefore be seen as a set of values, norms, beliefs that are geared towards meeting human basic needs in the society. They are regular ways of doing things that have become a ruling symbol in the society. Furthermore, it is an organized system of social relationship which embodies certain common values and procedures to meet certain basic needs in the society. It is a complex or cluster of roles which are knit together for the accomplishment of given objectives. Adelola, 1986. Social institutions are integral parts of social organizations. There is no sharp dividing lines between them except that institution is often considered to be more fundamental. There are few social institutions that are found widely in all human societies at all times. These are often referred to as the great social institutions. They generally center upon procreation, family, earning a living, subsistence and trade or the economy, government, political institution, religion or believing in the supernatural, religious institution. Okay, Oloruntimehin and Akintola, 1966. Education as an example of social institutions. Characteristics of social institutions. The shared characteristics of social institutions in every society include the following. Interdependency. Social institutions in every society are interdependent on one another to ensure the smooth running of the society. For example, religion as an institution preaches to members of the society that it is good to be married by emphasizing the virtues of marriage and family institutions. The family institution, on the other hand, teaches its members fundamental precepts of religion. Thus, both the family and the religion institution are dependent on each other. Durability. Social institutions are durable, long-lasting. Human societies at every point in time have needs to be met. These needs are often satisfied by the social institutions. Hence, they are durable. Although the patterns and the shapes of these institutions may change and can also accept new ideas, patterns, values, and norms, they do not remove the existing social institutions, but rather they restructure them. Abstract. Social institutions are invisible. We can neither see nor touch them, because they are not physical entities, but they contribute actively to the effective functioning of the society. Cohesion. The basic social institutions help to promote and/or create cohesiveness in the society. They act as the cement that binds the society together. They are pillars of the society that help individuals and society to function effectively. For example, political institutions create laws and norms that guide people's behavior. Stability and status quo. Social institutions help to maintain stability and sustain the status quo in the society. However, as new ways of doing things emerge, they abandon stability and promote change, with the overriding goals of ensuring societal development. Study session summary. In study session 2, you have learned that social institutions set the society in motion, ensure its stability, and set it in motion for change. Social institutions regulate the behavior of their members through socialization and corrective mechanisms of sanctions. Social institutions are characterized by their abstraction, cohesion, interdependency, durability, stability, and maintenance of status quo. End of study section 2. Thank you for listening.